Chat. Today we're gonna be playing Duck Season. You know, probably one of the oldest VR games, probably. My phone's almost dead. But it's currently 2:34 in the morning right now. So I low key. Can we get the camera to focus? Come on. What the f? Oh, it's the same people who made Bone Lab and Boneworks and really cool games. So apparently this game has like a really creepy duck. Oh shit. Oh, this is creepy. Alright, we're playing on medium, I guess. Lonely boy. Sad boy.
Mom?
Oh,
Help me carry in these groceries.
I put the audio too loud. Uh-oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, it's low-key too loud.
Oh, you got Duck Season!
No way! Busted up game from
One day
Blockbuster.
rental, so make the most of it.
Oh, I
One
will!
day, that's it? Are we dead? Are we serious, Mud? One day? That's all you could afford? What? I'm scared that the game's too loud. I'm gonna start freaking out. I don't like that cat.
Duck Season instructional VHS tape.
Where's my mom
Hey
at?
hunters, it's duck season.
There's
so that
my
means
mom.
We got a lot of first-time hunters out there. I'm gonna
Oh my
teach you
God, do I
how
have
to
a
use your
doggy?
Shotgun today. All our shotguns come preloaded, so to start shooting, all you gotta do is aim it
Hi. Hey.
and pull the trigger.
Hey.
Now to keep shooting, all you gotta
Mom.
do is place your
Mom.
hand on the pump
I'm
of the
hungry.
shotgun off. So each time you fire off a round and you have a second, you know, put a baby in there.
Oh.
Keep yourself prepared for the. Hope you guys learn
I got a
something.
katana, don't-
And remember, the first rule of
with me.
safety.
Don't with
Have
me.
fun.
Alright. What am I doing here? Oh, I gotta actually sit down. Ugh. I'm getting old. Whoa, I have a dog bone. Oh my god, wait, did my dog die? Is my dog dead? Alright, cool. Got about halfway through the beginning. Where'd my mom go? I lost my mom. Shit.
And one time we even went to the poor person's beach. So when I got older, I made a lot of money. And then I built this time machine to go back in time.
Whoa. Where did my mom go? Alright. Level 1. What the f? Where am I? Oh! What is me? I should have listened to that guide. Insert shell. Yeah, ging, but where? Oh! Oh. I got it now. I got it. Do I shoot him? This thing is so awkward to hold. I got it. One-handed. Alright. I got it. Yeah! This game's gonna hurt my arms, dude. I'm too old for all this. Another one. What up? Get the go! Hang on. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Holy shit. Can I? Look at that fat motherfucker. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm so good. Look at that score. Can I rack the thing? Load shotgun to resume. Yep. What up? Blind fire. Oh, yeah. What up? Wait. There's too many. What if I try to shoot him? What do you think will happen? Oh, yeah. Fat mother. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. What the? I racked it. I want to try to shoot him so bad. I'm not duck. What the? Still no. I can't do long range. That's what shotguns are not for. Where are you? Bad dog. I can feel the recoil. See that? That's recoil. I'm shooting him again. I don't care. Why are they just like getting farther? I can't do this. Stay right there, duck. Oh, he disappeared. Bad dog. Oh my god. Nah, it's... You know when you have like bad luck in Fortnite? And you blame it on your skin? It's your skin. See? This. It's a skin chat. Oh yeah. There's a real hunter. Out of bullets. This is tiring. I'm not made for this. I'm made to go edit. Can I? Yo, hold up. My shit's malfunction. Oh, no, it's not. I'm not gonna lie. This is starting to hurt. Fail? What did I do, bro? I know. Where's my mom? Mom!
Duck season instructional
Mom!
VHS tape one.
Hey, hunters, it's duck season, so that means we got a lot of first-time hunters out there.
Oh, wait, am I just redoing the same level?
Today.
Alright, Mom, you're on live television. You're on live television. Alright, never mind. You're lame anyway. You only got a week. I mean, a day. You only got a day. I asked for a week. Yo, see. How many bullets do I got? Oh, I'm good. I bet 2 of them are gonna come flying out. Yo. Make these sons a bit smaller. Oh yeah. Oh, there's something in my eye. Real hunters don't care about stuff in their eye. Real hunters get duck poop in their eye. Uh-huh. Bet you didn't know that. What does a 4 mean? Oh, is that like my streak? I don't know where my mom is. She's probably out doing crack. Oh my god, the aura. See, real hunters take 2 shots. A warning shot An actual shot. Warning. Actual, see? Oh, yeah. Nice. Can you imagine how hard it would be to play on like an actual CRT TV? Or whatever they're called. Whatever the NES used. Can you imagine? Using like blaster. I couldn't do it. I need my keyboard or my controller. Come here. He's gonna peek. Peeking right. See, everything doesn't need to be rushed. You don't need to just rush into battle. You take your time. Focus. Really just lock in. 15 duck streak. God. So close. He keeps eating my grass. He keeps pooping in my grass. Well, how many levels is there? What is this? It is not human. Wait. Stay in light? What does this mean? What the f is that? What the f is that? Why is he always there? What is that up there? Oh my god, wait, she made a wish that he would stay forever, so he became a mascot. Blah, blah. Alright, I'm getting spooked out. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Blah, 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 blah. See you in the next video. Bye.